Hi guys, today I show you how to replace cabin filter on Toyota Prius 2020 all-wheel drive. Okay, let's do this. The first you need to open glove box and remove everything. And the second one, you need to disconnect this damper. And after this you need to push it stopper on the both side, on the passenger side and on the left side. When you push it, you can remove glove box so easy. And after this you can see inside this white cover, and under this cover you can find the cartridge. Okay, let's do to remove this plastic cover. You need to push it this one like this, just take this one and push it and remove this cover. And under this cover you can see the cartridge, and inside you can see the cabin filter. Okay, let's to remove and put new filter inside. And I ordered this kit on eBay. This kit price around something like $20, and this kit included engine filter and cabin filter. And today I will be installed just only cabin filter. This is not original, this is brand B Trust. And we have inside like some like user manual, and we have some sticker, and you can put this sticker on cartridge and you can see the date and mileage. And of the next replace this filter, you can see all information about the last replacement time. And one more things, do you see this guy have this like side up? And for example on the cartridge you can see same things like here, up in this side. And it's so easy to remove, just push it and remove it, the old one, and install it new one. And don't forget about this upside. And after this, put back this cartridge and put this cover back, and you can see the same things up in this side. Okay, filter is installed and cover is installed. It's time to back put glove box. Install back, you need to push it again, these stoppers on the both side, one side and another side. And don't forget to connect the damper and check again. And that's it. Thank you for watching.